Okay, students, we have this last topic related to our unit number 4, that quality factor Q. This is given by three formulas. We have to prove that quality factor Q can be given by 1 by R root L by C formula, or omega R L by R, omega R L by R, omega R means resonating frequency, and or 1 upon omega R CR is also the formula. So all the three formulas are interconnected. So let us see the proof. First of all, whenever we draw the graph between current and frequency, now here the frequency can be simple frequency also or angular frequency also. So just now I am taking the angular frequency omega. So we know that whenever the graph between current and frequency is drawn, the current is maximum at one particular frequency, that is resonating frequency. So suppose omega r we have drawn here, that denotes the resonating frequency. Here the current is maximum. Maximum means I0. Okay. Now what is the meaning of quality factor? Its basic formula is omega r upon 2 delta omega. Omega r means resonating frequency and 2 delta omega, that means the width. What width? The graph width where the current is I0 by root 2. Okay, this graph's width. This we can call also bandwidth, because delta omega is here, delta omega is here. So it is 2 delta omega width. So omega r, if we divide by this bandwidth 2 delta omega, this gives us the quality factor Q. So this is our basic definition. So basic definition of Q we will be using, and finally we will proceed to these formulas. So let us start now. First of all, we need to write the current maximum formula for the LCR circuit. Okay, so first of all, at the current general formula is E by root of R square plus XL minus XC whole square. Okay, this is the current at any frequency, and the current at resonance, that means maximum current formula will be what? E by R. Why? Because for maximum condition, XL and XC cancel each other, become 0. So only R is left in the denominator. Okay, so these are two currents written, maximum current and current at any other time. Okay, now let us choose any one side of the graph. Suppose I am taking this point. I am finding the current at this point. Point number 1 we can say. Now what is the frequency at point number 1? Till here the frequency is omega r. So here delta omega is increased. So here the frequency is omega r plus delta omega. Okay. Now at this point, what is the current? Current is I0 by root 2. So I am now starting with that current. Current at point 1 is I0 by root 2. Okay. So current at point 1 is I0 by root 2. Here I will put I value from here. So E upon root of R square plus XL minus XC. Okay, here at this point XL and XC are not cancelling. Okay, but its value of the current is I0 by root 2. I0 is E by R root 2. So this way I will equate current at any point other than resonant frequency is given by this formula, but current at this point where I am finding, that current is I0 by root 2. So this I have written. I0 value is E by R, that I have substituted. Now we have to cancel the similar terms. So E is also cancelled and root is also cancelled. Means we will take squares on both the sides. So R square plus XL minus XC whole square equal to 2R square. I have done here also squaring. This R square will get shifted that side. So 2R square minus R square. Only R square will be left. Now taking square root, XL minus XC is equal to R. And finally we have to now get this type of expression. Okay, XL and XC have been reached here. We have to get omega r, delta omega, something that kind of. So XL we will replace by formula omega L. Now where we are finding the current? We are finding the current at this frequency. What is the frequency here? Omega r plus delta omega. So here omega r plus delta omega into L. This is omega L formula. This is written for XL. Now in the same manner, 1 upon omega C formula we have written for XC. Okay, where we are finding the current? At this point we are finding the current. So we are finding the current by two formulas. This is the current general formula, and current at this point is how it is related to maximum current, I0 by root 2. So current at this point, I0 by root 2 written. So current at point 1 means at any point is given by this formula. It is I0 by root 2 written, I0 value substituted, and this much cancellation is done. Now you can see this term is numerator and this term is 1 by something, denominator. So now we have to apply some procedure to solve it. So what we'll do, omega r will take common in both the sides. Omega r taken common, L is already outside. Okay, so if omega r is taken common, here it will be 1 left and here it will be delta omega by omega r left. So 1 plus delta omega by omega r left in the bracket, omega r common, L already out. Take the omega r term common in the denominator here also. So omega r taken common. So in the bracket left 1 plus delta omega by omega r. Okay, C is already out. So C is out. Now what we need to do, this term we have to shift up. So let us take power minus. So this term is shifted up. So power minus 1 has become, okay, 1 upon omega RC is as it is. Now 1 upon omega RC means XC. It is already equal to XL. So we can write 1 upon omega RC equal to what? Omega RL. Okay, and one more thing here, how to handle the power. So by binomial formula, this power comes in front here. Okay, and the higher powers of delta omega omega r are neglected. This we always do whenever the terms are smaller in comparison to these terms. So higher terms are neglected. So this way you can see here also omega rl is common, here also omega rl is common. So we can take it common in both the brackets. Omega rl common, let us take it in both the brackets. So 1 plus delta omega by omega r. From here minus sign will go inside. This omega rl is common already. Minus 1 minus minus plus delta omega by omega r equal to r. What is cancelling here? That is 1. So plus 1 minus 1 cancelled, and the terms are similar which are left. Delta omega upon omega r, delta omega upon omega r. That means it is twice. So 2 delta omega upon omega r. Here omega r L and here r left. Now have we got Q from here? So yes, Q is defined by omega r upon 2 delta omega. So you see omega r upon 2 delta omega we have got here. So this is 1 by Q term obtained. So omega r L, this term is 1 by Q equal to r. Let us get Q from here. So Q shift that side and r shift downside. So omega r L by capital R. This is the Q formula obtained, first one. That means at least this we have obtained. Now once we have got this relation, okay, of Q. So we know that XL equal to XC. So at resonance, so omega r L equal to 1 upon omega r C. Capital R is there only. That's why these two formulas are equal. Now how to get this formula? That is just to replace omega r by its formula. So I am doing it here. Let us see. Q formula is omega r L by r. Omega r means resonating frequency. Its formula is 1 by root LC. So omega r को लिखना है 1 by root LC. L और r चल रहा है as it is. Finally, if we solve it, r is out. 1 root L will cancel. So 1 by R root L by C will be the formula obtained for quality factor. So any of these derivations is asked. We have to prove quality factor equal to this, this or this. We have to do this solution. Okay, with the help of the graph.